So my journey to 1,000 subscribers. Ash, what do you think? How did I get there? Do you remember? We're gonna have to think back to a time before I had Ash. My YouTube journey started back in 2019, I think is what it was. August of 2019 to be exact. At the time I wasn't starting a channel so that I could be monetized and make money and become wealthy off of YouTube. That wasn't really my goal. He's got his wet paw on me. I think my goal back then, the drive to start the channel was, I was working on a snowblower, if you look at this right here. Now it was a snowblower I picked up at a auction or an estate sale, and I had a hard time finding anything on that snowblower to help me on YouTube or the internet. So I figured my journey on attempting to repair this thing and getting it operational again would probably be some pretty good content for somebody out there. Well, that project failed. So who am I? I'm just a 50-year-old from Northern Ontario, Canada. 2 girls, grown adults, one's still in university, one's moved out of the house. I'm a grandfather of 2 beautiful boys. I work a full-time job. I've been at the same place of employment for 28 years, working on my 29th year now. And I make videos in my spare time.
Spare time, you might ask. Where do you find the spare time?
So my video content is nothing scripted, nothing planned. The only ones that are planned are if somebody gives me something to repair. I know it's coming, and then I get kind of excited on that. But in terms of scripting or anything, I like to bring you guys the straight content. My channel focuses mostly on a lot of repairs, do-it-yourself, repairing vehicles or electrical or anything in the house that might break down. I try and save a lot of things from the landfill site. We do live in a disposable society, as you've probably noticed. I think the main goal of the channel is to repair and repeat. So I hit my 1,000 subscribers back in December of 22. So that was just a couple of months ago. Right now we're in the middle of February, and my channel is now monetized. I think the goal of a lot of younger YouTubers is that 1,000 subscriber and that 4,000 hours of watch time. That seems to be the goal to obtain. And I'm not going to be lying to you guys that it's easy, because it's not. So I've uploaded, right now I think I'm sitting at 106 or 107 videos. Each one of those videos takes anywhere from 4 to 8 hours to edit, not including the time it takes to set up cameras and do the filming, scrub through all the video. It's a very time-consuming process. I think you really have to have a love for what you're filming. I think if you're trying to impersonate or mimic other channels that you know are successful in terms of their content, I think you're gonna fail. And the reason why I think you probably fail is because you're probably not doing what you love doing. Now, I myself, I love editing videos. Do I like filming them? I hate it. I hate setting up cameras. I'm uncomfortable speaking to a camera, or at least I was in the beginning, as you can tell from some of the beginning, some of my previous videos. But as the years go on, you become more creative. You become more comfortable speaking to a inanimate object.
Who you calling inanimate, sucker?
Staring directly into a lens that you're thinking people are staring back at you, but... So all of my content, like I said, is all stuff that I enjoy doing and stuff that needs to be done around the house. So now that you know who I am and how I pick my content, which I don't pick, my content just seems to fall into my lap, why don't we talk a little bit about the scripting of the videos? I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. I have no scripts for my videos. Everything you see in the videos is raw and live. Now, there is a lot of editing that happens behind the scenes, because let me tell you, the swearing that goes on is pretty intense. So I'm not gonna lie, hitting that 1,000 subscribers was a big milestone. My daughter even bought me a cake saying congratulations, 1,000 subscribers, with my Northern Home Garage logo on it. Super, super sweet. My biggest supporters are my family and a lot of my friends. As a matter of fact, probably 50 or 60 of my first subs to my channel were family and friends, a lot of which I think are still watching the videos today. If you guys are out there, comment down below so I know you're watching. I like to include friends in my videos, those that are comfortable being on camera, like Captain Jim or Pilot Jim. You see him in my videos, and one of my best buddies, Guy, he's in a lot of my videos as well. And those two are a lot of fun to be around, and we really enjoy ourselves. They're great on camera. They don't mind me picking fun at them, and we always have a great time. So again, that's getting back to enjoying what you do, enjoying the people that you're around when you're creating the videos, and enjoying the process of making the videos and doing the best job that you can with the equipment that you have. So over the past 2.5 years, I have to say my editing skills have improved. One of the biggest things that I find is very important in videos is sound. So I worked really hard probably from the first couple of months, realizing that, oh man, the sound on my video sucks. I know myself personally, if I'm watching a video, if the sound volume is up and down and up and down, I'll skip the video because it drives me crazy. I started my channel with a iPhone XR and that was it. No tripod, I had no fancy editing software. I had the free software that came on my computer, iMovie or Movie Maker for Windows or something like that. I forget what it is. I'd really like to dive more into depth on the equipment that I use for a small channel, probably in one of my next videos. This video here, I just wanted to introduce myself, show you guys that reaching 1,000 subs, working hard at it, and just enjoying what you do, it can be done by anybody. It's all about being persistent, and you gotta love what you do. My favorite part of the whole process is the editing, but I just don't have the time to set up 4 cameras and take 4 different shots, or the money to buy the cameras. Where do I see my channel going in the next couple of years? Well, I'm hoping to increase my subscriber count. That would be one thing. I think the main goal of my channel now, unlike when I started it, is probably heading towards retirement. I think this would be a good source of secondary income through the monetization. And the monetization is YouTube, or not YouTube, yeah, YouTube, I guess, placing ads on my videos. And there are YouTubers out there that make $80,000, $90,000 per month. That's not my goal. That's not why I'm here. But I'd be okay with it. So like I said, guys, next video, I'm going to dive into a little bit about the equipment that I'm actually using. And maybe if we have time, I'll show you the video editing software that I use and the subscription I have for that. I'm not sponsored by the company whatsoever, but I will give them a plug in my next video, that's for sure. So I think the most important thing you guys can do for any YouTube video that you like or any creator is watch the entire video. Don't forget to give a like to that video because it really helps the algorithm decide, you know what, people like watching this video. Let's show it to other people. So hitting that little like button takes 2 seconds. Subscribe if you think I deserve it, and we will see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.